Hi to all, welcome to this new tutorial on ixCube. Today we will talk a little bit about the user interface and the user coordinate system. For the user interface, we can go into Tools, Settings, and in the UI settings, that's User Interface Settings, we can change the language. In this case, we have it in English, the style of the windows, and the most important feature, the interface. So we can go from a basic interface to an intermediate interface to an advanced one. So if I choose intermediate interface, the toolbars here you see change a little bit. We have more tools available. So now we'll talk about the user coordinate system, this toolbar here. In this toolbar we have all the tools related to user coordinate system. For those aware of CAD tools, they already know what these are, but the user coordinate system is basically the input plane when we draw two-dimensional graphic entities like lines, curves, circles, and so on. The most important thing to remember is that you have to keep off a UCS. A UCS. That stands for automatic UCS. So if it's on, the behavior of the software changes. So keep it off for using the user coordinate system. Now, by default, the system is on the word global X, Y plane, place it in the origin. And this tool here, the first one, will move it back to this default position. The first tool that we have here is move the UCS origin point. So we just click on a new point and the new position becomes that point there. Okay, let's draw a solid so we can see. So now if we want to place the user coordinate system on top of this solid, we use the tool place, we snap on top of this one, and now you can see that the plane is on top of the solid. If we draw a circle, the circle is placed on that plane. Remember always that auto UCS, A UCS is inactive, it's not active. So we can draw a line from this point to this point, or again any line we draw goes onto the user coordinate system. Remember the top view draws always in a flat plane. So what happens if I draw a line now from here to here? You see again the line is in, as we will talk about on this top window later when we talk on WorkPlanes. Again, the second tool that we have is user coordinate system by 3 points. So we can snap on this point here, this one here, and up again here. So now you see that the user coordinate system, the plan, is in this slanted plane. Again, let's draw a circle, and the circle goes in that plane. Rectangle again goes there. Okay, let's delete these. Click on the global to take back the system to the original default position. The next tool we have is user coordinate system by normal axis. So we click on 2 points one point here and another there, and the plane zeta axis of the plane becomes the line that we have clicked on. So we input the normal vector of the plane, and that's this tool here. This other one here, set user coordinate system horizontal at a point. So the user coordinate system is in a different plane than the horizontal one. We click on this tool, we select a point, and it becomes horizontal at that point. Again, set the user coordinate system perpendicular to the current one. So this tool here will make the user coordinate system perpendicular to the current one, and it requires 2 points. So we select the first point and another point, and here it is. It's perpendicular to the previous one and passes through the 2 points that we have input. Put it global again. Another useful tool, user coordinate system on a surface. We click a surface, and now is waiting for 2 input points that become the x axis. So we click here, and these are the 2 points. You must be aware that the red, green are the axis of the user coordinate system, and as for the colors on an RGB monitor, red, green, blue. So red is the first one, green is the second one. This means that the x-axis is the red and the y-axis goes down. We would like to flip the user coordinate system, and for this reason we have this tool here, flip. In this case, you see that now the y-axis points upwards, so the z-axis points inwards here in this direction. So we have seen this flip tool. The last tool is set the user coordinate x-axis. This is a kind of rotation of the user coordinate system. Okay, if we draw rectangle, this one goes onto the user coordinate system. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.